Hi everyone, my name is George and I'm a teacher's candidate, I suppose. I'm currently teaching 7th grade math and Algebra 1 over at one of the local middle schools in Woodburn, Oregon. So these are my three components, just like you have laid out. Um, task 1, Task 2, and Task 3. So Task 3 is where I would like more feedback for two of my students. I'll start with one of my students. This student did well on the assessment. We're working on two-step equations, and they did everything that was asked. The class is taught in a dual language Spanish and English format. So this student wrote out the steps in Spanish. So we got two-step equations featuring division, multiplication, and distribution. So as you can see, they have all but one of the questions answered correctly. You'll also find a grading rubric that we use. It's a controversial grading. Proficiency is what it's known as, and it seems like it's gaining movement across the United States. So I gave the student feedback on their rubric that I returned in English and in Spanish. So where I would need more feedback is with assessment 2 and assessment 3. So this student procedurally did the questions correctly. However, they did not do entirely as they were asked. So again, feedback is in Spanish and English, and the student, along with the student in the assessment number 3 that you'll see, they did not write out the steps. So I wrote in the feedback that they have the option of retaking the assessment. However, I want to know how I can really drive that they write out the steps, just like student number 1 did in their assessment. The student simply read the prompt, and of course I also repeated the prompt and did not miss much of the mark. However, student number 2 and number 3 did. So your feedback would be much appreciated. Thank you.